Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Debian has spawned many successful distributions, but today we're going to focus on two that are gaining a lot of attention: MX Linux and Vanilla OS. Both are incredibly promising for different reasons, and each brings something unique to the Linux world. Let's take a closer look at why these two distros are the ones to watch. First up, we have MX Linux, a distribution that's been topping charts for a while now. So, what makes it stand out? One of its biggest strengths is the set of advanced tools it provides. For example, MX Tools is a collection of utilities that allows users to easily manage their system without needing deep technical knowledge. It's perfect for those who want power without complexity. Then, there's the desktop environment, a customized version of XFCE. It's been carefully balanced to deliver a smooth and efficient experience, blending speed with functionality. XFCE in MX Linux is lightweight, but not at the expense of useful features, making it a great option even for older hardware. Finally, MX Linux is based on Debian stable, which means rock-solid reliability. The development team is highly focused on maintaining a stable system with regular updates, ensuring that users get a dependable experience. Now let's turn to Vanilla OS, a more recent addition to the scene, but one that's quickly making waves. What makes Vanilla OS so intriguing is its combination of beauty and innovation. First, let's talk about aesthetics. Vanilla OS places a strong emphasis on design, with deep and well-balanced customizations across the desktop environment. The result is a sleek, modern interface that looks great out of the box. But there's more to Vanilla OS than just its looks. It's also a rolling release based on Debian-based, so users get the latest software and updates as soon as they're available, all while keeping a stable core. But perhaps the most unique feature of Vanilla OS is its use of containers. This allows applications to run in isolated environments, which increases both security and stability. It's a clever way of managing software and system resources, ensuring that your core system remains clean even as you try out new software. So, there you have it. MX Linux and Vanilla OS, two of the most promising Debian-based distributions available today. MX Linux impresses with its powerful tools, customized XFCE desktop, and stable foundation. Meanwhile, Vanilla OS offers a beautiful, cutting-edge experience with its rolling release model and innovative container-based structure. Both are tailored for different types of users, but are equally exciting. Which one do you find more intriguing? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.